I'm going to teach you how to move rows in Airtable. By the end, you'll feel confident rearranging records to keep your table organized and easy to scan. First, head over to Airtable in your web browser. You can use any modern browser, and you don't need to install anything. Once the site loads, sign into your account so you can access your workspaces. Next, open the base that contains the information you want to organize. A base is like a project or database, and inside that base, open the specific table where your records live. If you're in grid view, you'll see your data laid out in rows and columns, which is perfect for rearranging. Find the row, also called a record, that you want to move. Take a moment to verify it's the correct one by glancing across its fields, like name, status, or dates. This reduces mistakes when you start dragging. To pick it up, move your cursor to the far left side of the row. You'll see the record handle, often shown as a small grip or area you can grab. In some setups, you may also see a row number you can click and hold. Press and hold your mouse button or trackpad on that handle. You'll notice the row becomes highlighted, indicating it's ready to move. Now, drag the row up or down to its new position. As you move, Airtable typically shows a line or indicator that previews where the record will land. Take your time here, especially in long tables, so you place it exactly where you want it. When you're happy with the spot, release the mouse or trackpad to drop the row into place. Give everything a quick once-over to confirm the record is now in the correct location. Scan the surrounding rows to make sure the order makes sense and that you didn't accidentally nestle it in the wrong group or section. A couple of helpful tips as you do this. If dragging doesn't seem to work, your current view may be sorted, grouped, or filtered in a way that controls the order automatically. Also, keep in mind that manual row order is view-specific. What you see here might differ in other views. And if you're collaborating, your permissions and the table's configuration can affect how records can be rearranged. That's all it takes. Visit Airtable, sign in, open your base and table, select the record by its handle, drag it to the new spot, release, and double-check your